Hi everyone, hope you're well. My new luggage has just arrived. I decided to go for the Westwind Ranger Wild Enduro 40, I do believe it's called. I'll put a link in the description. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open the box, see what's in there, and then I'll fit it to the bike and just go through it and tell you why I decided to go for this one. So right, I'm just going to attach you to my chest. Right. So we have the exhaust guard. By the way, this set was £368 and that includes delivery and import tax. It's an Australian company, but they do have warehouses in Europe, so this actually came from Germany. That's the hook and loop D-rings for the foot peg area, passenger foot pegs. That's the bungee that goes on the back. Couple of buckles. Oh, these feel like really nice quality. That velcros off so you can stick your own badge on there if you want. So that's the case that will go onto the bike. It's not the actual bag, it's just the sort of holder. And we've got protection for the bike. Again, that's the other side. I like the reflective parts on it as well, it's nice. Even that looks reflective. What else? More D-rings. Some instructions. Stickers! Yay! And the bags. Oh, there's the base. So basically everything just attaches to this. This is the reason why I got this, or one of the main reasons why I got this, and I'll show you later when it's on the bike. And then these are the side specific cases, or bags rather. Whoa, right. Nice. Yeah, all these feel really good quality to begin with, or initially. There's a pull loop there so that when you put it into the case you can pull it down, get it nice and snug, and a carry handle as well, which is always nice. Like it. Okay, right, I'm going to go fit these to the bike and go through it.